Hello friends, myself Rohit. Here I am going to show you how the IP addressing and subnetting mode is used. My aim to study IP addressing and subnetting and design the network addressing scheme for the different network topology. So in the network in the IP address classes are divided into 5 classes: class A, class B, class C, and class D, and class E. So class A is, that will start from you can see that will start from the 1 to 127. The network 127 is reserved for the loopback and internal testing. Then the class B, that will start from the 128 to 191, that is the leading bit pattern. You can see the bit pattern in the class B. Then class C, that will start from the 192 to 223. Then you can see the class D, that will 224 to 239. Then class E, that is 240 to 245. Then private addressing space, you can see 3 are the private accessing space. It means we can use only these three classes to use this. Anyhow, this is there is 5 classes, but we used only the 3 classes. Then default subnetting mask, you can see the default subnetting masks are for class A 255.0.0.0. that means in 255 the network address is only used to 255. In class B 255.255.0.0. Then class C 255.255.255. Now there is some problem. We can analyze all that formula or all that IP address by using this problem. So in this problem, you can see this is the problem 178.215.176.150/25. It means 25 users are there. So network address is 178.215.176.128. It means it will cover all the 25 users. But after the 176, all the 25 users are it will take and give the network address. Then broadcast address, you can see 178.215.176.255. this is the broadcast address. Then first IP in the 25 user, we have our total 25 IP is there. First IP is 178.215.176.129. in that 1 to 9, you can see 1 to 8 is my new address. After we cannot use the first address, so we have to use the after first address. So that is 129. Then last address is we know that it will finish at the 255, but we don't use that last address, so it will finish at the 254. So this is all the how the network address, broadcast address, first IP, last IP we can recognize. Then this is the same things, you can same as the previous one. You can see this is 145.56 113.164/30. You can see that network address, broadcast address as the same as the previous one. So then this is the next one. Based on the information graphic shown, design the network scheme will supply minimum number of subnets and allow enough extra subnets and host 100% growth in both areas. So for the both areas, this is the marketing, this is the researching, this is the management. So in the management, we use this 24 host, that is after /22. this is the host, this is the 60 host, this is the 15 host. So we do that sum and we get that result. Like address class is B. Why address class is B? We know that address B is start from the 172.16. You can see this is IP address is 172.16, so it will be. Then the subnet custom marks, you know that for the B 255.255.255.0, you can see that class B 255.255.0.0. you can see that, but For host it will the value is this one. So minimum number of because 24 hosts are there, so one remaining one for this one. Number of subnet needed for 4, then growth is for 8, then 60. Now you can get that range of the result. This one 160. This is the first to last. Then for marketing you can see first to last, then for the management this is first to last, and IP address this one. Now thank you for this is my IP address subnet. Thank you for watching.